Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can link or share your YouTube profile to TikTok. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the TikTok app on your device. After you're on the home page of the TikTok app, make sure that you're logged in and then click on the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to your profile. On this page, click on the edit profile button on the middle of your screen, which will guide you to your profile settings page. Now on the bottom of your screen you'll see the social tab. On the social tab, click on this add YouTube to your profile option. Wait for it to load. Now once you're guided to this page, choose the email account or the YouTube account which you want to link and then click on this allow button. Wait for it to load, and after it loads completely, your YouTube account, as you can see on my screen, will be linked to your TikTok profile. Now if anybody wants to go to your YouTube profile through your TikTok, they'll have to click on the social media logo on the side of the edit profile button, and this pop-up will appear, and if they click on the YouTube button, they will be guided to your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you to link your YouTube to your TikTok. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.